You're standing in front of a lineup of cars, their engines humming with anticipation. Each engine has a personality of its own, eager to show off its power and prowess. Today, we're driving into the captivating realm of internal combustion engines, where pistons dance, valves sing, and fuel ignites in a symphony of controlled explosions. Buckle up and prepare to be fueled with knowledge as we explore the types of internal combustion engines that make our hearts race and our wheels spin. Ladies and gentlemen, start your imagination engines and prepare for a mind-bending expedition into the captivating world of Discover the Different Car Engines, a beginner's guide, here in Car Computer Exchange. Get ready to have your mind blown as we navigate through the twists and turns of engine configurations, unleashing the horsepower of wit and wisdom along the way. But this isn't just an ordinary engine breakdown. Oh no, we're going beyond the basics and diving deep into the world of automotive engineering, uncovering the tales of power, performance, and efficiency that these engines hold. We'll expose the strengths and weaknesses of each configuration, revealing the secrets that make them tick. So, whether you're a non-car person seeking knowledge or a car enthusiast eager to expand your understanding, this video is your gateway to engine enlightenment. Prepare to have your mind blown as we unravel the intricacies of these magnificent mechanical marvels. Before we hit the gas pedal, let's make a pit stop and clarify that we'll be focusing on the popular engine configurations, leaving the single-cylinder engines part for now. While they each have their own unique charm, we'll be cruising through the engine types that dominate the roads and ignite the passions of car lovers worldwide. Incline engine, unleashing the power of linearity. Picture a lineup of cylinders standing tall and straight like disciplined soldiers. That's the beauty of inline engines, where the cylinders are arranged in a single line. These powerhouses are known for their compactness, simplicity, and efficient design. They are the workhorses behind many compact and mid-sized cars, delivering a reliable and smooth driving experience. But what makes inline engines a favorite among car manufacturers? Their compact size allows for easier installation and better packaging, making them ideal for vehicles with limited space under the hood. They also boast excellent fuel efficiency and cost-effectiveness, making them a practical choice for everyday drivers. So, the next time you zip around in your trusty compact car, remember that the inline engine is the heart that keeps you cruising. Clarifying the inline-4 engine versus V4 misconception, here's a pit stop for a quick clarification. You might have heard people talk about inline-4 engines and V4 engines interchangeably, but they're not the same. While inline-4 engines have all cylinders arranged in a straight line, V4 engines have two banks of cylinders forming a V-shape. So, the next time someone tries to pull a fast one on you by mentioning a V4 engine, you can impress them with your newfound knowledge. Inline-6 engine, shifting into high gear with 6 cylinders. Introduction to the inline-6 engine layout. Prepare to be blown away by the power and refinement of the inline-6 engine. As its name suggests, it features 6 cylinders arranged in a single line, creating a symphony of mechanical excellence. This layout is known for its impressive smoothness and balance, thanks to the evenly spaced firing intervals. What sets the inline-6 engine apart from its counterparts? Well, it's all about finding the perfect balance. These engines are revered for their reduced vibrations, delivering a silky smooth ride. Additionally, the inline-6 configuration allows for increased power and torque, making it a favorite choice for performance vehicles and luxury automakers. When it comes to the inline-6 engine, some automakers have embraced its power and elegance. You'll find this layout gracing the engine bays of renowned brands such as BMW, Jaguar, and Mercedes-Benz. Performance vehicles like the BMW M3 and M4, Jaguar F-Type, and Mercedes-AMG models have harnessed the potential of the inline-6 engine to deliver exhilarating driving experiences. V-engine. In the realm of V-engines, cylinders are arranged in a jaw-dropping V-shaped configuration. It's like a symphony of power, with 2 rows of cylinders meeting at a common crankshaft. The angle between the rows can vary, often seen as 60 degrees or 90 degrees depending on the engine design. One of the coolest things about V engines is their compactness. Due to their V-shaped arrangement, these engines take up less space under the hood compared to their inline counterparts. It's like fitting a powerful engine into a smaller package, giving you more room for other components or simply a sleeker design. V engines, especially the V8 variety, have earned a legendary reputation in the world of performance vehicles. These powerhouses offer a perfect balance between raw muscle and refined performance. With 8 cylinders working harmoniously, they produce a symphony of acceleration that can make any car enthusiast weak in the knees. While V8 engines steal the show, let's not forget about their larger siblings, the V10 and V12 engines. Found in high-performance supercars and luxury beasts, these engines take power to an entirely new level. The V10 delivers a spine-tingling roar and exhilarating performance, while the V12 commands respect with its unmatched smoothness and breathtaking capabilities. Hey there, fellow engine enthusiasts! Time for a mid-video check-in question. Are you feeling the rumble of excitement in your automotive soul yet? Or do we need to rev things up a bit more? Let us know in the comments below. Now, let's dive back into the world of engines and continue our adventure together. W engine. In the world of engine wizardry, W engines stand out with their distinct cylinder bank arrangement. Picture 3 rows of cylinders forming a W shape. It's a breathtaking sight that not only delivers exceptional performance, but also serves as a testament to human ingenuity. When it comes to W engines, the Volkswagen Group deserves a standing ovation for its pursuit of thicker engine layouts. By integrating multiple cylinders into one block, they have managed to create engines that offer incredible power and efficiency while keeping the dimensions in check. It's like having your cake and eating it too. In the quest for perfection, prototype engines have played a crucial role. The Volkswagen Group's innovation resulted in the creation of the remarkable W8 and W12 engines. The W8, with its 8 cylinders arranged in a W-type, was a testament to the brand's commitment to pushing boundaries. And then there's the awe-inspiring W12 engine, a masterpiece that combines the smoothness of a V12 with the compactness of a W configuration. Speaking of mind-blowing engines, we can't overlook the W16 engine that resides beneath the sleek hood of the Bugatti Veyron. With its quad-turbocharged might, this beastly power plant churns out an astronomical amount of horsepower. It's the epitome of engineering brilliance, showcasing what can be achieved when imagination meets precision. Flat engine. Flat engines, also known as horizontally opposed engines, feature cylinders that lie flat and face each other. It's like a perfectly choreographed dance, with pistons moving in perfect sync. This configuration offers exceptional balance and reduces vibration, resulting in a smoother and more refined driving experience. Some of the most iconic automotive brands have embraced the beauty of flat engines. Subaru has been a long-time advocate, showcasing the prowess of its horizontally opposed power plants. Porsche, known for its precision and performance, has also embraced flat engines in many of its sports cars. Even Ferrari has joined the party, proving that flat engines are not just reserved for the practical, but can also unleash the fury of a thoroughbred stallion. Before we wrap up our exploration of flat engines, let's address a common point of confusion: the difference between flat engines and boxer engines. While the terms are often used interchangeably, technically, boxer engines refer specifically to flat engines with horizontally opposed pistons that directly oppose each other. So, when you hear the roar of a boxer engine, know that you're experiencing the magic of a flat engine in all its glory. Get ready to be mesmerized by the sheer brilliance of these engine configurations. From the compactness of V engines to the unique arrangement of the W engines and the balanced elegance of flat engines, the world of car engines is an enchanting place. So, fasten your seatbelts because we're about to embark on a journey that will leave you with a newfound appreciation for the heart and soul of every automobile. Boxer engine. Prepare to meet the heavyweight champion of engine configurations, the boxer engine. No, we're not talking about engines throwing jabs in a ring. Rather, we're diving into the fascinating world of horizontally opposed engines. Picture 2 pugilists facing off, fists at the ready, and you'll get the idea. Boxer engines earn their name because their pistons resemble a pair of boxers throwing punches in perfect synchronization. These engines have a unique layout, with cylinders arranged horizontally on opposite sides of the crankshaft. It's a design that screams balance, both in terms of power delivery and visual appeal. Imagine a dance floor where two partners perform an elegant tango. That's precisely how the pistons of a boxer engine move. As one piston moves towards the center, the other pistons move away in perfect harmony. This synchronized motion cancels out the engine's natural vibrations, resulting in smooth operation that puts Fred Astaire to shame. The symmetrical arrangement of the pistons also leads to a lower center of gravity, providing exceptional balance and handling. So, the next time you see a sports car gracefully maneuvering through corners, remember that a boxer engine might be the secret behind its dance-like performance. When it comes to boxer engines, a few names instantly come to mind. Subaru, for instance, has long been a flag bearer of boxer engine technology. Their vehicles, like the iconic Subaru Impreza and WRX, owe their distinctive rumble and impressive performance to the boxer layout. Porsche is another heavyweight in the box engine realm. From the iconic 911 to the exhilarating Boxster and Cayman models, Porsche has harnessed the power and unique characteristics of boxer engines to deliver thrilling driving experiences that make your heart skip a beat. Rotary engine. If engines had rock stars, the rotary engine would be Mick Jagger, dynamic, eccentric, and captivating. Also known as the Wankel engine, this unconventional power plant boasts a mesmerizing rotary motion that delivers power with unrivaled smoothness. Unlike traditional piston engines, which rely on up and down piston motion, rotary engines feature a triangular rotor spinning inside a chamber. This spinning rotor creates a constant cycle of intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust, generating power in a unique and efficient manner. One of the rotary engine's remarkable qualities is its compactness. Its simple design eliminates the need for complex valve trains and allows for a smaller overall size. This compactness has made rotary engines popular in sports cars and motorcycles, where every bit of space counts. The rotary engine's journey has been a roller coaster ride of triumphs and challenges. Developed by the brilliant mind of Felix Wankel in the 1950s, this innovative engine promised high power output and reduced weight compared to traditional engines. However, the road to success was not without bumps. Rotary engines faced challenges in areas such as fuel efficiency and emissions. The unique combustion process, while delivering exceptional power, also led to higher fuel consumption and increased emissions. These factors posed hurdles that required constant refinement and engineering ingenuity. When it comes to rotary engines, one manufacturer stands out as a true pioneer and enthusiast: Mazda. Embracing the rotary engine's potential, Mazda brought us the legendary RX-7, a sports car that set hearts racing with its unique styling and exhilarating performance. Mazda's dedication to the rotary engine reached its pinnacle with the iconic 787B race car. This masterpiece conquered the 24 Hours of Le Mans in 1991, becoming the first and only rotary-powered car to achieve such a victory. The sound of the 787B's four-rotor engine still echoes in the hearts of motorsport enthusiasts worldwide. Sadly, all good things must come to an end, and the same holds true for the rotary engine's mainstream presence. Various factors, including stricter emission regulations and the pursuit of improved fuel efficiency, led Mazda and other manufacturers to phase out rotary engines from their production lineups. However, fear not, for the rotary engine spirit lives on as a symbol of innovation and daring in the automotive world. While it may not dominate the highways like it once did, its legacy continues to inspire and captivate enthusiasts who appreciate the unconventional and the extraordinary. And there you have it, folks. We've explored the fascinating realm of car engines, from the distinctive inline engines to the compact yet powerful rotary engines that made waves in the automotive world. It's been a journey filled with knowledge, wit, and a whole lot of horsepower. But our engine exploration doesn't stop here. If you want to continue unraveling the mysteries under the hood, discovering more engine types, and staying up to date with the latest automotive insights, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to Car Computer Exchange. By subscribing to our channel, you'll never miss an episode of our witty and informative content. So, gear up, fellow engine enthusiasts, and join our community of car lovers, tinkerers, and curious minds. Together, let's keep the engines roaring and the knowledge flowing. Until next time, stay curious, stay driven, and keep on exploring the extraordinary world of automobiles.